Hello to you, my gorgeous nail lovers. You are welcome back again to Nail Vibes, the channel, as you always know, that gives you the very best in nails fashion. Today, I bring you the trendy and unique acrylic nail art designs for the Halloween period. You can also call these nails the spooky nails. So, watch the video to the end in order for you not to miss a single slide. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, my gorgeous lovers. In case you are seeing my channel for the very first time or you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do hit the subscribe button and also turn on your notification so that anytime a new video is uploaded here, you will be the first to be notified. So in this video for today, as you can see, I have the best collections of Halloween nail art designs. So for this coming Halloween, watch the video to the end in order for you to pick different Halloween nail art designs to make on your nails. And as you watch the video, kindly help it by hitting the like button, okay? Like the video and feel free to share it to your friends and loved ones. And you can as well save it for a later use. Thank you guys so much. So at the end of the video, you can go down to the comment section and tell me what you think about this video, and I'll be there to reply you. And in case this is not really what you want, you can go down to my channel to see other videos that I have for other nail vibes. You can also watch from there and make your choices. I say a very big thank you to you, my returning viewers, who are always coming back to watch and engage in my videos. Trust me guys, your effort on my channel is never taken for granted. Thank you guys so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.